is ABC 15 News.
The largest wildfire in our state's history is now 60% contained. The Wallow Fire has charred more than 529,000 acres, destroyed more than 20 homes near the town of Greer. But as ABC 15's Eric English explains, the fire's impact is being felt right here in the valley.
Because we got to respect everybody, right?
Ron Lopes runs several programs for underprivileged children here in the valley. In the past couple of weeks, he's watched with apprehension as wildfires ravaged the state. Ron just learned his annual camping trip to the White Mountains is now canceled.
Yeah, the big fire that occurred wiped out all of their equipment. They lost several trucks. Their Jeep, which the kids used to go trekking up in the mountains, was destroyed.
The camp at the Arizona Outdoor Adventures near Springerville was virtually wiped out in the Wallow Fire.
They lost their big camping, their cooking tent, and all of their camping gear that was up there was lost, everything.
Now the teens that were slated to head off on the adventure of a lifetime will have to wait.
Now, it is very disappointing, heart-wrenching to know that we can't participate this year. It is sad, and they're disappointed, and we're disappointed.
Lopes tells me while he understands people living in the area are dealing with the direct fallout from the flames, the impacts are trickling down and being felt here by teens in the valley. Eric English, ABC 15 News.